puppy, you love him. I love him.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Toe beans, toe beans, toe beans, toe beans. Find a floof and boop them cause you can. Boop.
Give me. Let me take it off. Let me take it off.
It started when we were younger, you were mine.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
That time my cat kissed a mouse and left it so confused, yearning for love.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
I think that you're about to go on a walk.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
I want to take him home. Baby, can we get him? Please. Slagi na ko eh.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
Put your hand out in front of your child to see what they do.
Love you. How I do.
It may get bigger, it may get a little bigger, it may not get bigger at all. We'll see what happens. But regardless of what happens, we're totally prepared.
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? Bye.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, 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 show them, girl, yeah.
What I come home to every day.
Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. How you doing?
put this sound over the last video of your cat.
Tiki.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Diggy!
One more time. Oh no, I think we got this one. Yeah. But we're just getting in the groove. No, let's keep wanting more. Yeah, you've grown 400 pounds. Oh my god. Well, I look exactly the same. No worries. Tell the song. We sing the song. It's our signature song. We should be sharing it.
Show the moment your dog Newbie found his forever home.
I will always love you.
This random bird flew into my grandma's house and refused to leave. The next day I went to visit her, and it was sitting on her shoulder. No matter how many times she puts it outside or puts it down, it comes back to her.
Who's that?
These are my minions. I don't know their names. I don't want to know their names. They are known as
Chanel number 2.
Chanel number 3.
Chanel number 5.
I'm Chanel number 1, obvi.
Good night. Love you.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
That's it. Thank you.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Coda. It is 10 o'clock at night. Let's go. Inside. Come on.
Rebecca, you are the prettiest girl in Brooklyn. Thank you, Sir Jeffers. Will you accompany me to the mysterious wedding today? No. But, Rebecca, I love you. I love you.
I just realized that my dog is 9 years old and I never told him my name.
My name is Jen.
It's a dog? I'm taking it home.
So my coworker was actually wrong.
Come here, buddy.
This is not a dog. This is my boy. He is a fox. Just like his daddy.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. You're very chubby.
Sorry I didn't kiss you, but it's obvious I wanted to. Bubblegum down my throat and let my love go to me.
Four reasons why you should get a British Shorthair. 1. They're super calm and friendly and easier as a first pet. 2. They tend to be on the lazier side but can live up to 20 years. 3. They are really loving and affectionate breed. And 4. They're good with other animals and children due to their calm temper.
Puppy's first bark knocked himself over.
So, Crackhead Kitty has a baby. She brought us her baby.
What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Louise.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello.
You're holding my stuff.
Hello, my little lady.
Hello, Mom. What are you doing with my stuff?
I was just welcoming.
Give her a kiss.
I will always love you how I do. I let go of a prayer for you.
I'm glad you could make it. Thank you so much for coming. Now I've got some news for you. I've got a gun.
You know this means another video. Bailey, like to give him the chicken nugget or skip to make him sad? He really wants it. Did you like?